Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to change file extensions in Windows 10. So if you want to do it, you need to click right mouse button icon of a start, and then you need to go to File Explorer. Here we need to go to View tab on the upper side, and then we need to go to Options. Now we need to go to Change Folder and Search Options, and here we need to open View tab. Then you need to do one really important action. You need to uncheck this one option, hide extensions for known file types. It is very important to do it, and then you need to click apply button and you need to click OK. So now we can close this window, and how you see extensions of files are visible now. We need to click right mouse button on a file that we want to edit, and then we need to click rename. Now we need to select our extension after dot, and we need to change a new extension. For example, I will type something like that, and then I click enter. You will see here this one information. If you change a file name extension, the file might become unusable. Are you sure you want to change it? So we click here yes, and then extension of file has been successfully changed. If I helped you, please remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel, and support me from link in description.